Hey, good morning, everybody. I wanted to share a little how-to with you this morning because I'm noticing that a lot of people have hundreds, maybe, of tabs up here. And if you're an organized person like I am, let me show you a real quick way to keep these organized. So, here I am on digital, then here's my school, right? All right, so say I want to group these. I just right-click my mouse and add tab to a group. I'm going to create a new group. And I'm going to pick a color. We'll pick this color, and I'm going to say digital growth community, right? Hit enter. Now you can see that that tab has the color of this. So then I want to add this one to it. So I can just say add tab to group digital growth community. Now when I close it, both of these tabs are now linked to that group. Same as here, these two tabs are linked. I can close it. And say I wanted to get rid of some of these. So I right click, add tab to group, new group, and let's call this backend, backend systems, for lack of a better word. Hit enter. So that one's black. Similar where we're going to say we're going to add that to group backend systems, and to group backend systems, and to group backend systems. I know I'm taking a little time, but I just want to show you how easy this is and how wonderful it is. Okay, then I close it up, and that's it. So now I can go ahead and create more tabs, and if I want to get back to my digital growth community tabs, there they are. If I want to get back to my magnetic messaging, there they are. If I want to look at my back end systems, there they are. And then when I'm done with them, I just put them away again. All right, well, I hope that helped you all. Any questions, just shoot me a quick comment and I'll get back to you. I hope it helped at least one of you guys today.